How to screenshot an area of the screen on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to capture a specific part of your screen quickly and easily. First, press the Windows key and Shift and S at the same time on your keyboard to open the Snipping Tool overlay. After that, your screen will dim and a small toolbar will appear at the top with different snipping options. Let me show you. At this point, you'll see 4 options at the top: rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and full screen snip. In the next step, tap on rectangular snip to capture a specific area of your screen. From there, click and drag your cursor across the area of the screen you want to capture. Release your finger when you're happy with the selection. At this stage, the screenshot will be captured and a notification will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. Following this, click on the notification to open the screenshot in the Snipping Tool editor, where you can annotate, crop, or save it. Once done, click on the Save icon, or press Ctrl and S to save the screenshot to your preferred location on your PC. Finally, all screenshots taken with the Snipping Tool are automatically copied to your clipboard. So even if you close the notification, you can still paste the screenshot anywhere without needing to save it first. And that's it. If this guide helped you screenshot a specific area on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.